Stop paying for 10 different AI subscriptions. Seriously, close the tabs. If you are still jumping between one tool for face swapping, another for mockups, a third for character posing, and a fourth just to change a camera angle, you are wasting hundreds of dollars a month. Because this new, completely free Photoshop plugin has built all of them directly into your layer panel. In this video, I'm going to show you how this single extension replaces an entire AI tool stack, decomposes flat images into perfect layers with one click, and changes the actual camera perspective of a 2D photo. Let's get started. Most creators are stuck in an exhausting loop, switching apps, exporting, re-uploading, and spending hundreds of dollars a month on multiple AI subscriptions just to finish one project. Higgsfield changes everything by living right inside Photoshop, replacing your entire AI tool stack with a single completely free extension. From your existing layer panel, you can instantly handle face generation, product mockups, camera angle shifts, and layer decomposition without ever switching tabs or leaving your workspace. By the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to connect the tool to your Photoshop workspace, generate a stunning product photo from scratch, build a high-converting mockup, and design a commercial poster, all without leaving a single tab. And if you want to follow along right now, the link to this tool is in the description below. Go grab it, and let's build something together. Step 1. Connecting the pipeline and crafting your first product photo. Now, for the best part, this is where your workspace transforms into a full AI creative studio in under 2 minutes. When you first install the plugin and see the panel load inside your workspace, you will realize that everything you used to switch between 5 different browser tabs to do is now right there in one place. It is incredibly clean and seamless. Okay, so first we start with the installation. Go to their website and log into your account. On the homepage, we can click on plugins and select Adobe Photoshop. Then we can download the plugin file. After that, we can go to the folder and select the file we just downloaded and run it with the ZXP installer and install the plugin. Now we can open Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, go to the top menu, click on plugins, and select this tool. Now here is where it gets exciting. The panel will show you some tools like image generation, real-time AI, Mockup Studio, Decompose, and others. Now for your first product photo, click the image generation tool. In the prompt box, type a simple product description. For example, I typed a close-up photograph of a clean minimalist cotton t-shirt, white or light gray, with a simple small black line art graphic of a mountain silhouette on the center chest. The t-shirt is perfectly flat on a matte light gray concrete surface. Natural soft daylight from the side. High resolution, great detail. Then we can select the AI model to create this image and select the aspect ratio. After that, hit generate and watch what happens. In about 15 to 20 seconds, the AI drops a fully rendered photorealistic product image. Now, we can drag our generated image to our canvas. Here is what most people do not know: the more specific your prompt, the better the result. Instead of just saying t-shirt, describe the surface, the lighting style, and even the mood. Now that we have our product image sitting perfectly on its own layer, it is time to do something really powerful with it. And this next step is the one that used to require a completely separate subscription tool. Let me show you. Step 2. Generating a high-converting product mockup. Now here comes my most mind-blowing part, because what this tool does in this step is something I genuinely thought was impossible inside Photoshop without a third-party mockup website. When I ran my first mockup through this tool, the AI placed my product inside a lifestyle scene so naturally that I literally had to zoom in to confirm it was not a real photograph. I am not exaggerating, I zoomed in 3 times. I was totally obsessed with how the shadows matched the environment automatically. So first we start by clicking on the Mockup Studio tool. Then we continue by choosing one of the presets. You can select any mockups you want depending on your product. After picking a preset, drag your product image here and select the aspect ratio. The AI will take your existing product layer and composite it into the scene automatically. It handles the shadows, the reflections, and the perspective matching all on its own. This process takes about 20 to 30 seconds. When it finishes, you will see the result in your panel with the full mockup image. Your product is already inside it, already lit correctly, already sitting on the surface as it belongs there. Here is what most people do not know when you use the mockup feature. You do not have to waste time manually tweaking the environment. The system automatically calculates and adjusts the studio lighting, realistic shadows, and perfect perspective to match your graphic design onto the mockups instantly. This keeps the entire workflow seamless and ensures your final product looks professional without any complex manual editing. Now we have a beautiful product photo and a lifestyle mock-up, both sitting as clean editable layers. But here is where we take it from looking good to looking like a real commercial campaign. The next step is where the poster comes together, and this is the part that used to require time. Step 3, designing the commercial poster layout. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part, because this is where everything we built in the last 2 steps transforms into something that looks like it came out of a professional ad agency. And I mean that literally. When I first used the decompose feature, the AI separated each element into different layers in about 20 seconds. I literally said out loud, wait, that's it? Because I was used to doing it manually. First, we start by adding our image to the canvas. Here, I want to change the angles of my image. So we can just click on the angles tool and upload our image. You'll see there are a few options like top, front, right, and others. And we can also adjust the rotation, tilt, and zoom. And click generate. Now in the panel, we can click on the decompose tool. This tool will automatically separate each element of your image, so you don't have to mask it manually by hand. So from here, we can just drag our image and hit generate. Once it's finished, we can click on import all. Now all the elements are fully adjustable. Then we can continue by adding headlines, keep it short and punchy, something like the future of streetwear or clean, minimal future. You can add other elements and change the background. Here is what most people do not know. The system gives you 10 specialized tools built for specific creative tasks that go far beyond basic generative tools. You can instantly change camera angles, build professional product mockups, and relight your scenes dynamically. Utilizing these dedicated features takes only a few seconds, but it gives you complete control to make the whole project feel fully custom and tailored to your exact visual needs. So at this point, in under 10 minutes, you have built a product photo, a lifestyle mockup, and a full commercial poster, all inside Photoshop, all on clean, editable layers, all without a single extra subscription. Now let me show you exactly why this matters for your wallet and your workflow. Let's talk real numbers for a second, because this is where it gets super eye-opening. If you hired a professional product photographer and graphic designer to produce what we just built, easily $500 to $1,500 per project. If you learn traditional Photoshop compositing and mockup design from scratch, we are talking 6 to 12 months of practice before your work looks this clean. With this tool, less than the cost of a single coffee run per month. And right now, it is completely free to get started. I know what some of you are thinking, so let me just knock these out quickly. I'm not good at Photoshop. You do not need to be. This tool does the heavy lifting, and the panel is literally designed for beginners. AI tools always look fake or off. Not with this tool. The shadow matching and perspective tools make everything look photorealistic, and you saw the results in this video. Free tools never have the good features. This tool's free tier includes generation, mockups, camera angle control, and layer decomposition. The core workflow is fully accessible without paying anything. I already have tools that do some of this. Sure, but are they all inside Photoshop on editable layers talking to each other in real time? That is the difference. Here is what you actually walk away with when you start using this tool. Immediately, you cut your content production time from hours down to minutes. Socially, your visuals start looking polished and professional, the kind of work that gets shared and noticed. Financially, you stop bleeding money on 5 separate AI subscriptions and replace them with one free tool. Creatively, you get to spend your energy on ideas instead of fighting with software. If you are ready to actually try this, the link to this tool is in the description below. Go grab it. It is free to start, and you can have your first product photo generated in literally the next 10 minutes. If this video helped you, hit subscribe because we drop tutorials like this every week, tools, workflows, and shortcuts that actually save you time and money. And if you have a question about any of the steps we covered today, drop it in the comments. I read every single one and I will answer you directly. Do not keep paying for 10 tools when one does the job better. Go get the link and I will see you in the next one.